Hi there. Okay, what we're gonna do here? I'm gonna try to explain how the HCRS04, which is ultrasonic sound, works. Okay, so you can see it's got four pins. Okay, it's 4 pins. It's a trigger pin, echo, VCC, which is the voltage. You connect it to a railing, positive railing, and the ground, which is a negative railing. It's got a left and right orb or probe. The trigger will send a pin at the speed of sound, and the echo will wait. When it came back, it will calculate the distance. It's similar. It works in a way, doing a small example is I would say the trigger, you shout hello, the echo, you listen for hello to bounce back. The time in between shout and echo tells you how far away the wall is. Okay, so I think this is an example. Okay, so what we do now when we program it, we're going to use a 3-steps process. You shout, set the trigger pin high for 10 microseconds. Okay. Number 2, sensor listen, echo pin stay high while waiting. So it's going to be high while waiting. And here echo pin goes low when around return, when the sounds return. Sorry, I don't want to say around sound. When sounds return, okay. So it's a send it and receive it practically, and the waiting time. Okay, remember that the speed of sound in this case is 343 meters per second. Okay, on the this is the data sheets, and if you go down and you look at the electric parameter, the maximum range is 4 meters and the minimal range is 2 centimeters. On the timing diagram is shown below. You only need to supply a short 10 microsecond. Okay. Right, the trigger pulse is an input and the echo pulse is an output. Okay, now we're going to set it all up visually. We have the breadboard and the Arduino Nano and the Ultrasonic. I'm gonna add it on and connect it. Let's have a look now. I'll make it a bit bigger. The Ultrasonic in, and now we're going to do the wiring. Okay, let's make it a bit bigger so that it's more visible. That should be now. Okay, now all set for the wire. This is going to be the ground, the VCC from the Nano, and now we're going to add on the railing, the positive, and here's a positive and the ground. Then we're going to adjust the colors of the wire. The red for the positive and the black for the ground. Okay, so now we're going to do the trigger pin and the echo pin. Okay, so the trigger pin is on D9 and the echo pin is on D10. Okay, and you can see I'll bring them right here. 10 is the echo pin. Okay, and on a transmitter and receiver. Okay, so the VCC positive is connected to the positive railing, the ground is connected to the ground railing. Okay, and the same is the Arduino. Yeah, it's 5 volt and the ground. And pin number 10, D10, nano pin 6. Sorry, it's 10 and 9. Okay. Just to keep in mind that the nano has D digital pins and A is analog pins. Okay. Okay, let's see the code. Okay, I need to remove a couple of brackets and okay, this is quickly just to show after the finished process of the project what it looks like. And you know, on the serial monitor you can see the distance as he processes the distance with the check. Okay, let me take this message off. Okay, as you can see the distance has been checked as I'm moving an object in front. It will change. It will go all the way down to about 7 centimeters. At the moment it's on 15, 7 centimeters and so on. So if you move an object in front of this, it will show the distance, how close it is. Time to say goodbye, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.